What's good, YouTube? Back at it again with another reaction. Today we got that boy Pontiacddg, Lil Yachty this. I didn't even know he dissed Lil Yachty. Like I heard Yachty drop his name in the song, but I didn't think it was him. I just thought it was just like letter like Soulja Boy used to do back in the day. And you know how old school rap used to do. They go E-I, E-I, E-I-O, you know. So I just thought it was like regular letters, but I'm gonna look into this review, this reaction. It's SKT. Who is SKT? I'm trying to think about who that is. I don't know. Leave a comment below. Iced out and my neck look like pee. You don't know me, alright, nigga, we don't see. Man, this is already fire. He gon' what? You gonna beat his Joe Budden? Okay, he going crazy. I had to cut the video off right there for a second. Did this man just say, tell India that I'm fucking? I don't even need to listen to the rest. I don't. Like, this is a short reaction. Oh my God. All that beef over India Love, and he gonna put the name in the mouth. Don't have Soulja, you gonna have big Soulja, big Draco. Come on, retire me. I got 150 shooters in Atlanta, nigga. Pontiac, you don't need this. Pontiac, you gonna need this. You gonna have to get swole real quick. And you looking out with big Draco. No, I'm going to bed. Pontiac on some other shit.